Sometimes, wars aren't triggered by bombs or bullets, but by bad cartography. In one of history's strangest near conflicts, a simple map error pushed two nations to the brink of war. It happened when an international boundary was being drawn after a period of political tension. On paper, the line seemed clear. Rivers, mountains, and latitudes marking who owned what. But one small detail was wrong: a single misplaced dot on a military map. That dot shifted the border by several miles, placing a strategically valuable piece of land with access to water, resources, or a key trade route on the wrong side. Neither side noticed at first, but when patrols and surveyors went into the field, each country claimed the land was theirs, because that's what their maps said. The misunderstanding quickly escalated. Troops were moved in for security, artillery was placed on standby, and politicians made fiery speeches. Intelligence officers warned that even the smallest skirmish here could spiral into a full-scale war. What makes it worse is that in the heat of the standoff, neither side wanted to admit the possibility of a mistake. It would have been seen as a sign of weakness. Only after weeks of tense negotiations and a careful review of the original survey records did cartographers discover the truth. The border had been drawn incorrectly on one country's map. The correction was quietly made, and both sides agreed to step back. No shots were fired, but the world had come shockingly close to another needless war, all because of a human error measured in millimeters on a piece of paper. It's a reminder that in geopolitics, sometimes the pen really is mightier and far more dangerous than the sword.